exciting. You wanna jump in here? Boom. So we're about to go explore St. Augustine. I'm super excited. We should do an intro first, since it's an intro.
Happy Mother's Day.
Thank you. So we are in a hotel in St. Augustine for the weekend, for Mother's Day weekend. It was a surprise by this one. I've always wanted to come to St. Augustine and I've never been, so we're here just for the night until tomorrow. We just got to the hotel. We're gonna go eat something and then we're gonna go figure out what to do. There's a lot to do here, so I'm super excited. Supermodel at his finest. Dun, dun, dun. Outfit of the day. I'm wearing this cute little romper. I got this at Target, I think. Yeah, got it at Target. And then these flip-flops I bought when I was in Puerto Rico. They were like $5. Really cute. And this bag I got at Marshall's. I've been using this bag every day for like the past year and a half because it's so cute and it's vegan leather, and I just thought it was cute and it was cheap and I like the color.
But yeah, that's why all the names and everything in Spanish. Because
Yes.
the second period of Spanish occupation was short-lived. The declining ability of Spain to control and protect the colonies, the United States acquired Florida in 1821. That's why everything is Spanish name.
Yeah, because before that it was owned by Spain.
Florida became a state in 1845.
That's amazing.
Look, the Spanish return. St. Augustine.
These three people represent the diversity of America's first colony. Uneven floors.
Welcome to the old school and to the mid-1800s.
Wow.
I say that because this is how the nation's oldest wooden schoolhouse looked at that time, and our creatives of that period.
We was dressed this way in 1931 by graduates of the class of 1864 during the class reunion.
That's right, Johnny. They also decorated this little school the way they remembered it when they were here. As a matter of fact, on the back wall, there are some photographs of the class taken at that reunion, and the class roll. The school itself was built sometime before 1763.
During the first Spanish period.
Very good, Johnny. The school is built of cypress and cedar with handmade nails and wooden pegs. This is the oldest wooden structure in St. Augustine, and it has never been reconstructed.
The first pupils were Menorcan. They came here to learn English. Now we learn arithmetic and other stuff as well as reading and writing.
Some boys and girls.
So we're currently in the backyard of the oldest schoolhouse in the States, in America. That's the wooden house right there. And these are the statues of some of the educators. The school has chains all on the outside and the inside. And there's a little paper that says that the chain is there to prevent, or is there, to prevent the school from flying away during the storms. There's Honey on the phone, even though there was no technology back in the 1800s.
Now just watching Joe playing here, like in one of the oldest schoolyard.
Yeah, isn't it crazy?
It's pretty neat.
Yeah.
It's like there were kids here playing in the 1700s.
Yeah.
Now 2018, you watch your own kid playing in the same grounds where they were playing.
Yeah, in the same schoolyard.
Yeah.
Oh, so pretty. This is the end of day one in St. Augustine. It was so nice and so fun. Tomorrow we're gonna go to the Castillo of St. Augustine. It looks like El Morro. I don't know how to explain it. I'll show you guys tomorrow. Yeah, this place is really cool. I'm very much into history, so I really enjoy all the history behind it, and I had fun. You had fun, Joe? These little fountain faces behind me are from the 1500s. Isn't that crazy? They were a gift to St. Augustine from Spain in 1595. Pretty cool stuff.
1565.
1565. 1500. So that's it for us. We're about to head out, go back to the hotel, relax, and come back tomorrow for day 2.